If you are wondering for how long does the battery last on POCO X8 Pro Max, then on average, if we consider a typical daily usage of the phone, the battery should last approximately 25 hours and 20 minutes. Of course, this time is going to be different for every user of this smartphone, like just in any other smartphone, in any other case, simply because it all depends also on the fact that we have different things enabled. So it depends on what you do with your phone, how often you use, what features you have enabled or disabled, and so on and so forth. So if you just want to use your phone for calling, if you want to just answer calls or just call people, and then in that case the battery is going to last even 44 hours. And if you want to browse the internet and nothing else, then in this case the battery is going to last for approximately 21 hours and 25 minutes. If you want to watch videos all the time, then you should be able to do that for 34 hours and 25 minutes approximately. And if you just want to play games, then if you charge your phone all the way to 100%, and then if you try to drain it, then you might be able to play even for 16 hours and 25 minutes. But of course, still these estimates vary depending on the user itself. So depending what you do with your phone, what features you have enabled, as I mentioned before, the time is going to be different. But if we consider like average, if we consider daily usage, typical daily usage, then of course the battery is going to last for slightly over 25 hours, which is really great. Leave a like and subscribe.